warm welcome. Let's give a warm welcome to the one, DJ Randy.